Hello, Madam Sisima Kamhu, African Professor One, I'm a spokesperson. African Professor One, I can subscribe, share with the catcher or no. Join the family, African Professor One family. Na yina yintua na mo na yemfa message and spreading across Africa, across Ghana, across the world, across everywhere. Until one more time, we African Professor One subscribe, share the one dance here. Na no musa say ni dia tam no kre pa na yeka nti no bo modern so nti na nkoma person no di no matudi say efa yenuan masante fo ho me ya asante ni pio me ma me papa pio asante na as ade de no kre de o ho a no waka musa asante fo ye nyankofo bi ye yi mu na sebsebe sa tribal bigotry ni disani manema no Asante wankofo bebre didi atem fa nema bebe obi anka hwe yani so on fa to kwano me fore wa Asante region wa di obeka bia into but enough is enough intine koma matudi no asama many person koma person di matof di me say if your region is not relatively developed, why blame Asantes? Mami sisu me say if your region maybe out in area na so town na say baby our community in Ashanti in Ghana, if that area is not relatively developed, and I say we some amenities, social amenities, infrastructure amenities, money bini waha. Why blame why blame Asantes? I didn't know Makasa. So Himwa, Uti Kofobi Brown commenting on social media by Bunguna Asante for say and Asante for and we are two no. Asantifo person go asantifo ye ni bibre asantifo omo pesku kra omo brof omo nte brofo eno kra de me ti kra na mesire na aka brofo chiche ho maza na de no anya afrim brofo ye krom kasa na wo brofo no wa chiche brofo ho na be ko krom nyina mfuturo nko a wo region wo be ko abrosan ba ko kra na se ho fi puto na ba Ashanti je omo nte brofo so we de se no mo she develop omo ahonye enye papa but would you compare regions bebre wa Accra Ashanti region far better than region bebre Accra say nye government pushwa government capital city tini wani mo bebre o a government offices ministries near but to Ashanti region a lot of all the buildings are all individual own. That's what it is. But anyway so region ya and also region Mofis waka china development bia na juma ni wa. You don't blame any other tribe. Maybe tribal politics need tribal, I'm against it. God knows I don't believe in it. But sometimes, at some point in time you say enough is enough, say we think no mood sorry na santifona. How you say na santifo you two no santifo kra omo brofo omo ka ara omo say L omo ka L omo say R and then we say me bre asantifo per any education as on for say by the point is of almost chance one ko foka ka fa Asantifo nyina awe wohwe Ghana and Canada Japan abeku santana nyina wohwe Ashanti region look at name wo nyina basically mostly name wo nyina Asantifo no individuals na but anyway the main maka asma me make we nyina so I'm just giving a context and I say overview of everything but the point me making say for example wohwe northern region most of the northern region politicians, northness and politicians, they are disappointment to our brothers and sisters in northern region. Me say, we should northern region, we should associate Dao, Kakrakang, move arable lands, Nini Manima, just say, Jenny tomatoes, Nuni Manima, cattle, no, cows, Nuni had that in because of farming pass, large scale farming pass area, who say, but what do we see over there? And so since independence up to this time, and I mean, we independent up to this time, Ompa benefit more, our government, palm, naughtiness. That's a fact. Kwame Nkrumah mom free education, and they got a chance to go to school and to share almost all the successive governments in we share all the ministerial appointments mostly not necessarily dominating, But what do they got for their region? Nothing. Omunya niemano. Omu ba north south. No more better Ashanti Accra near Ashanti region. No more cow. It's ancestral. They don't do anything over there. And then people turn around and say somehow no Usha as Ashanti for and IGBBR for Kumasi. And so Nyamini any person Ghana phone be bring back kind of cry. Almost sorry Ashanti for no. And then this is Ashanti region, you know. Ashanti for no almost pay school no. Omunya cha obinya ba ekwa abrochira na okofa ne nua bia na asa ne na busua na asa obo na busua ni jetri no mo start store no mnia sana ma despa no for is upon no nyina enti me Asantini entrepreneur na say makwa abrochiri mabeta abrochira dada na say anase me disike bia koma me nua bia na asa madam bi say onfa me store na wonya ye obaba be si no okru obesi in the region. That is what Northerners you have done. And so Northerners, no politicians, no be pray. Mahama ne Ibrahim Mahama. Factories near that in South establishing. And so Oshuma, Kesan Kasa, best education. School universities near that and dominating most of say bureaucratic and as a civil institutions no be brave bekono Northerners no come. And so they don't do anything in the north. And so do so much about then timi akwa persuade microphone no matter ama and so we are no more jamosa and kophobia sebi ye so ye clueless no hwe person play other trap against Ashanti no muti social media no muti no mu bibi no cancer mu say as if say they are storehouse of all knowledge, they are repository of everything. Ni bibia we are kwana superior knowledge about everything about Ghana. And to also spew nonsense about Asantes. And then Asante, why you say that? Me say, so if you are disappointed, Northerners and Northern politicians, chances, they don't even want to develop the North. Into which me say, opa, Sasma making, Obia, a very, very intelligent researcher near the DBA, go back and see all the successive government, previous government in Ghana. Next a number of Northerners no all the governments that you come in Buzia, your friend saying and Chromatam, your friend saying Mahamatam, okay, Jayokufota, even currently, okay, an Akufado ministerial appointment. It's a Muslim is dominated by the Northerners. Okay, financier, you will be the Muhammad Amin Adams. Uko defense Northerner, Uko interior Northerner, Uko tourism and culture Northerner, lands Abujinapo, lands and minerals resources lands Abujinapo Northerner, gender Northerner, Hawa Yakubu, Mavis Hawa Kumse, we're not no free Sariga, and now call some regional ministers no, Bebri Umina Northerners, they dominate almost everywhere. All the successive government, even current government, and I call it Sagawi. Now, one of the critical thinkers in Ghana is I call your friend Farouk Wahab. Now, I was just listening to him. Bare 3 days or so, making very good analysis of what is going on in Ghana. And I don't know, I can't be you free, but you say the guy is so well informed, knows a lot about objective analysis. And I say about what is going on in Ghana. According to Ghana presentation, Sir Farouk Wahab, a lot of Northerners, they are disappointed. We are no better for no worry. Make us say, no worry, not Southness, and that's what my fair form government, no teachers, mom sit down, no from her. South, Ghana. No man neglecting enough. We are. I'm for BTW. No sorry say. Asante for na is Asante for so. Omo best school. No man the do muga. At abomadina teacher mumu room sisi omo dan. Into by Asante region mostly. And then one stores of when you government they see Asante for no and see omo there. And what is the hatred from? What is all this bitterness towards Asante from? Notness. So we see Northern politicians, they are disappointment to their own people in the north. It do see a better bar, no more kobosu. And Farouk Wahab Khan was Northerners, and once or qua when your market is some, and you qua Northern politicians, no pakumaka necessity, ministers, ministerial nasa state houses in the north. No more for bicycle nasa taxi. Omukwa no now notness na kotrama we pito ni ade say we are all equal. No more jom vote, omuki vote we are no better Accra ni Kumasi. Omu we are no more sanka say Asante for na dia and MPP Asante party ni and so hwemu and in notness omu dominate almost all the political position I didn't almost produced by 2 presidents. Lima was a Northerner. Your friend say Mahama was a Northerner. Vice President Susuno Yobaumia were a Northerner. And now your friend say the Kufuor Aliu Mahama said Kufuor Vice President were a Northerner. And EBM Asante for saying Vice Presidential position besides Kufuor or when how many Asante for and the president? Champion a true coup. Anyone a coup, but say later day, not necessarily be two. And no saying your vice president, or ministerial, all the previous government, not necessarily, not the politicians. What have they done for their people in the north? Utonya sika, Nessa to me first canoe. Mungina, me fast Asante for ne, our foreign name, 44 politicians, Wiska. Said the Faruka, Wiska, Mungina, a corrupter. Omunyom sikana no mu a BB store so near there and your BB companies omu area because baby I'm free na one me most so nothing as no munyom sika no matter how no matter so no mu dia asisi down no mu wonkra no mu near there now we na ba kwa not region that house na hwi ni wadwuma ni ho na mu gina na mu blame obi nti na make me say if your region is not relatively developed, do you blame Asantes or do you blame any other tribe for say a lack of development in your area? No, because I make a mistake. As a for nothingness, nothing politicians. Omu a hypocrite. They are selfish. It's all about them. Omu and I'm nothingness. No, nothing regional. And that was how omu asasi. Omu asasi che obia. Omu say well educated. Omu was educated. Be say class. Almost than any other. And so they don't have anything in the north because nothing politician has educated class from the north. They don't want to go and establish stores and open industries near companies near north. I don't know. Ibrahim Mahama, one of the richest guy in Africa. Minim said the cement factory or baby or northern region. I said the mammy and papa or baby or again, we are no blame Asante for Asante. Why they Asante for by Asante Region Americanse, Uber Kumasia, and Ukwani area, Omuji Obia. Kumasi Nkwaso Suni, Asante Region, ye did not edin atu one of our iconic, area. I mean, an iconic building and that's a landmark, which is Babaya Sports Stadium. Why in a Ubeko Northern Region, Omode, Asantini, and the Betu. Omu Tamale Sports Stadium on the Asantini, but also Vota region, the Asantini, Ebetu, the Asantini, Dean Betu, almost Sports Stadium, and Nakikos. No, Asantes, we don't discriminate. Yeju Bia, Mozinzongo, Alaba, Abuabo, number 1, Abuabo, number 2, Aquatiala, the Pepiabeco Bia, Yo, Amraga, Pepia, your trouble Bia, Biwa, Santi, Ewukumase. Mosarizo, Mompasanti, Fuejis, Nam say, the major disappointment. Uncle Former disappointing nothing. Now I hope say this time round they will learn sense and say we don't care say we are not in an answer. See him toy ness all the old banners what development to talk dark as is not Accra, southern part of Ghana. Kumasi any Accra. Next one thing may develop crew drew about to us. No more banana become crum casa no more dead there, sir. As you crummy enough. Sana Mahama no near you, Baumiano no how we ye not necessary to my movie and my job on my better for your year. Samira or number or Hermes bag, pre-owned bag, the bag of crab back one. American says our bag no, almost your friend said, Baumia Hermes bag, and no crowd there, Obia. I use it than use ones no more on eBay ukoha it be a 21-30,000 use one no and no bad in them sorry must say and I sanctify us to massa omuni speak up musi omun pay schools omu entrepreneurs omu speak up so enti say what brofo na kaka brofo no hwe ni botuma na say uni huya and then the brofo, and a brofo crum casa, inferiority complexes near daddy, and a cum Ghana for some, and you can know with TV, so begin social media, not a camp of church, just where a storehouse of all knowledge, not to not in the near Bonwasaf, when no more can cross some, no more can cross some. Nipa so kasana hwe educational background kwa nu ba bia so o do ba bia kra o like critical think o munye critical thinkers let me say we a politician if enough busa hu say sika wanya ni school akwa abanhwe free ni nyina e de na odi otima kwa enough ho mu sit down ma be sini wo Accra ene sa Uniba Road one money ade tesa no no ni sa East Legon ho na motio and Ghana for Asantes so many scar. Yeah, any call for no, ya no more sisi down chrome. I establish a factory stores near the area, and it's now Kumasi Tisan. Oh, Kumasi ministers say whole thing, a white thing, but so they compare other regions now. It's far better than a whole bunch of region in Ghana. Why? Because Asantes woman scape. Entrepreneur born they were born entrepreneurs. You know, si school cry na mo se omo kwa and na omo nti brofo mo so ko brofo kasa China for omo ka brofo so hwede omo yom krom. Uko India no ni ade omo ka so no di omo ye ho. And the point me making is it's one thing say wo be blame wo ye politician wanya position bi ni ya member position bi ni ade na ukrom wo wie sika me so me wie sika ni bi media akoye me krom akosi dan abie stores ne industries wo me krom wodi no wodi betra me krom ana so wodi betra capital na wodi no gas ni ade wo wi a edru tama ye koto aba no akọ boss me krom fo no mato aba ma se ye nyina ye notness ye nkremofo ye mumus na nifo ne zongo wo hwe zongo no ni ade so they are so behind because notness no educated class, they don't want to help their own people. We are not turning around and say, if your region is relatively not developed, why do you blame other people or why do you blame Asantes? It's more hatred, no more spew hatred, no trouble sentiments be against Asantes. Asantes, they no more you be a one because Asantes for no years canoa, only develop mukro. Most of them be a most of develop because it's slow. And I can Japan says, Mopa Moma can Japan 4 years per. Mom play any trouble, be a number so on free enough until a trauma bomia, a trauma mahama. Mom a chance 4 years, no one had obey a northern region. And I don't think one person didn't say. If your region is not relatively developed, why do you blame Asantes? Asantes for some years car, Koya by Jumano years canobia. Said ye notness in Wiebinoa. Omudi de bomb crum. A baby Numa Yenia Maniama. Musumu notness near that tribes, Zomunya, years canobia. Nobody a chum, only a show mutum, Agubango, Mufanya, Mugiano Blemas and was as a way to know as and for say. What do you expect Asantes to do? Man, come on, shh. It will come up with something one more time. African Professor One. Mama spokesperson is subscribe, share with friends and family. And Mungni Hung Komona. Mesan Makasebi, have a good day. Bye.